forever, 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 forever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. This tutorial is for girls that want to learn how to do their eyebrows because you want to have them brows on fleek. The products we're going to use today are Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate, LA Girl Pro Concealer in toffee, a regular spoolie, Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, their foundation, mine is NARS New Guinea Sheer Glow, and a blender and a flat concealer brush. We're gonna use a highlight. You can have any highlight that you want. If you want a subtle one, a bright one, this is pretty bright, and an angle brush for your eyebrows. This is what shapes your eyebrows, if you guys can see. This is important. Also makes it easier to create the eyebrow hairs. I use a smudge, not a lot, because this goes a long way. I first off brush my eyebrows in the direction that I want it to be. Brush it upwards. And then now I start off with the middle part of my eyebrow and just outline or follow my eyebrow shape. And I want it really dark towards the end. I go back in with my pomade to make a darker brow. And I also underline the bottom of my brows to get that straight line. I also outline the top part and just brush upwards from where I outlined the bottom part. Now I take my spoolie and just brush everything together. Make it look together. Natural. If I wiped away too much product, I just go back with the brush. Now I take my concealer in toffee. I use my flat concealer brush, dip a little, and go towards the middle of the brow. So most of the product can go towards the end more than the front, and then go to the front of my brows. And then I blend that out and blend it downward. And then I blend out the concealer with my Real Technique sponge. And then if you outline too far, just blend it in as well in the front. Okay, to conceal the top of my brows, I'm going to use my foundation, and I just used a little bit as well. You don't need much. I like to use my foundation to clean up the top of my eyebrow rather than my lighter concealer because it looks more natural when you use your shade. So it kind of looks like you got that fresh wax. My eyebrow sharp, so when you trace it down, you just go straight. And then I blend the top part out as well. And I go back with my pomade just to clean up the lines or make the sparse areas more deeper. because I like my end of my eyebrows to look way darker than the front. Our brow gel, and just go over every strand of hair. What I like to do is brush the front straight up to make it stay up the whole night so it looks fuller, and go throughout my whole entire eyebrow with mini strokes. And this also blends your eyebrow even better. I'm going to use that same concealer brush just to go on with this nice gold eyeshadow. You can use any highlighter, but I'm going to use this gold eyeshadow and just pat it on towards the end of your brows to give it that nice highlighted look. If you don't want it too pigmented, you can just smooth it out with your finger, but make sure you smooth it out towards the end, because that's where your brow bone is and that's where you want the highlight to be. You don't want it more so in the front. Ooh. Okay, now this is the finished product. Comment below any other makeup tutorials you'd like to see on my channel. Thanks for watching.
Baby, me love when you wine pon the pipeline. Me lady, believe me, me love you, me lifeline. You nah be no more side chick.